Hello folks, Brad Veal here, Northwest Missouri, just right around the St. Joseph, Missouri area. And we've been seeing quite a bit of sudden death in the area here in the last 10 days. You can see here we're looking at seeing a lot of these leaves. You can see the interveinal necrosis going on. The thing we have to be careful about though is to not misdiagnose this with brown stem rot. So I split the stalks this morning, and as long as you got the white pith in the center, that's going to be your sudden death. If it's brown stem rot, you would see the pith would be brown and rotten. But definitely have sudden death here this morning. So early in the spring, we had a cool, wet spring, that's what brings on a lot of the sudden death. And then we also had a wet, cool July, which brings it on again. So these beans in particular were not treated with a sudden death treatment. So as far as management at this point in the year, there's nothing you can do at this point. Actually, this morning we've been out taking some soil samples to see what kind of a nematode level we have. Because if you have a high level of soybean cyst nematodes, chances are you're going to have sudden death as well. So we've been pulling roots and soil samples. We're going to send that into the University Extension here at Missouri. Some management techniques for soybeans for sudden death syndrome. We're going to have early planting. Typically, you have a higher incidence of sudden death if you're planting early. And I know we've been seeing a lot of yields be better for planting early, and we definitely want to continue to push that, but there is the risk of sudden death. So we want to be treating with treatment. There is some evidence or some studies going on that cover crops can reduce sudden death. There's a few articles out there on that, so something to be looking at. So that's all I got here this morning with sudden death syndrome, Northwest Missouri. Thank you.